Not sure why I found you under this tarp just now, but this is not a good place for you to hang around because Lucy might be in the area. So you know what? I'm going to put you over here on a good woodpecking tree. Here you go. Here's a good woodpecking tree, okay? Woodpecker's already been here. So you go right here. Okay? You must be a baby. Oh, you having trouble flying? I better find Lucy and make sure she's not out here. Is this your first time? Where are you? Little guy. Okay. You just stay in the bushes until you figure out this flying thing. I'll find Lucy. Poor little guy. Oh, he's good at hiding. I'll give him that. I don't see him anywhere. Nope.